Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today, guys, we're gonna be making an Afro swing, Afro dancehall kind of vibe. But most importantly, guys, I'm gonna be showing you this beautiful plugin I've been trying out, and I would love you guys to just go get this plugin because it has lots and lots of amazing sounds. So without wasting time, guys, let's go right into our DAW so we see what this plugin sounds like. Let's go. I'm gonna be showing you guys this incredible and amazing plugin called SKY Keys. Like I said, this is the plugin we're gonna be working on, SKY Keys, and this is not a sponsored video. I just downloaded the plugin and I just saw they were doing a discount, so I decided to go for this plugin. And this plugin is amazing, and I don't keep anything from you guys, so I'm just gonna show you guys what's in this plugin, and you can just rush and go get it while it's still on sale. What I'm gonna start, I'm just gonna drag in my tempo. I know the first thing when making your beat is to try to get your tempo. So, and for the kind of vibe I'm going for, I'm gonna be working with the tempo of you guessed right, 92. I'm just going for something mid, so I'm gonna be going with a tempo of 92 BPM. So I'm just gonna drag everything to 92 BPM, and yeah, let's hear what 92 BPM actually sounds like. So I'm gonna turn on my metronome and just hit the play. Okay, so this is what 92 BPM sounds like. So quickly, I'm just gonna start with my drums. I'm gonna start with my drums before I go into. So I'm just gonna layer some basic drums before I go into creating this vibe. Quickly, I'm just gonna drag in my percussion. I think I'm gonna be starting with something like this. Yeah, I'm just tightening it up a little bit. Yeah, so we have that. So I'm just gonna create my first pattern, and let's call this yeah. So yeah, this bounce. Yeah, so just like this. So I'm just going to just increase the velocity so it hits really hard. Send this over to my mixer, and just use my EQ to take out some of the lows because I don't need it to clash with my kick. Yeah, so we have something like this. So next thing, I could bring in some more percussions, and I think I want to go with, let's go with this. So let's see. Yeah, so we have something like this. Now I send it over to my mixer too. Yeah, so we have like a groove. Let's see, I think I'm gonna add some hi-hat, but before then, let me just add these percussions. Let's see which percussions I could actually add. Let's go with this. I think, yeah, so let's go. Yeah, so percussions. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go to my piano roll. Piano roll gives you more access to play around with your notes. So, most things you can't actually do them on the channel rack. You need to move into your piano roll so you have more control over some, some sounds. So I'm just going to shift this a little bit. So I can just use my string. For the string, I'm going to use around 15%. So I think I have something for my drums. So I'm going to add them like hi-hat. Yes. Yeah. This percussion is still not where I want it, so let me take out this and see. Yeah. Yeah, so I think we'll go like something like this. Yeah. So I think I can bring it for my keys like this. But go to my piano roll, just increase the velocity. So yeah. So I think I can add like an open hi-hat. So let's see, open hat. Let's go with this jingly. Yeah, so we have a groove for the drum. Yeah, and I'm feeling this. Nice. So let's bring this down a little bit. Put my soft clipper so I don't clip, just to keep everything in check. Yeah, so I think I have my drums, so I can just split my drums by channel, and I have every sound on a different insert. Just gonna put this for And I think this is a bounce. So let's go. I'm just gonna go and add a shaker, and this is what the shaker sounds like. Yeah, but I'm just gonna stretch it out and put it on 2 bars so it actually fits. Yeah, so I'm just gonna chop it. I just need this first part, and I'm just gonna loop everything the same thing. So we have the so something like this is what we need. So send this over to my mixer, and I think I'm gonna use my EQ to just take out some of this lows. I think I'm just gonna take out some of the highs of the shaker. So we have this now in total. So let me just give my drum some random colors. Yeah, so I think I have like a solid vibe for my drums. So I could start adding up the chords, and you know, like I said, we're gonna be using this amazing plugin SKY keys, and this is what it sounds like. So let's see what we can actually come up with our chords. Sound automation. So let's record that. Nice. So I have this. Hey. So I'm just gonna quantize it. Yeah, so I think I can load on that instance of SKY keys, and let's go to some of my favorite sounds, which I think I'm on the key of F sharp. So yeah, some of my favorite sound. Yeah. Yeah, so I think I have that, so I'm just gonna put that in. So let's call this Chords 2. So you can see some of the amazing sounds in these plugins, man. Guys, go just quickly, just go get this plugin, man. I'm gonna try to leave a link for you to get this plugin in the description in case you want to get it. So let's record that. Yeah, so we have this for our chords. Hey, vibe, this is a vibe. So I think I can add in some more chords. So let's load SR keys to let's see which sound. Let's see what we can actually do. I'm gonna go to my clip sign bass, because that's like my, you know, my go-to bass, man. Anytime, any day, you know. If I'm not using Trillium bass, I'm definitely using Omnisphere. So let's see. All right, so for my bass, I'm just gonna put in some like just single notes. So let's put that down here. Yeah, so let's record. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go in right now and just try to adjust the notes. So we could add some slides. So we can slide it over there. So for the slide, just add like a slide note. So it slides. Okay, so yeah, so we have like a vibe. Yeah, let's bring this bass a little bit down. I think I'm gonna use my EQ also to take out some of the bass. Yeah, let's see. So is like some dark Afro bounce, man. Yeah. Let's send this to our mixer. Yeah, so I could add some, let's add some transitions. And I think I'm gonna pitch it up by six semitones, or let's go down minus 600 cents. Yeah, so I'm gonna add like another instance of chords, so you can see the beautiful sounds in this SKY keys, man. Like, it has lots of amazing, beautiful, really beautiful sounds. So let's record that. Yeah, so yeah, just gonna bring the velocity down. Yeah, so I think I'm feeling this. So all together I'll have this. Yeah, so this is just a quick beat. I just want to show you guys this amazing plugin called SKY Sky Keys, and man, you guys should go try it out. And it's actually on sale now, so go do your best to try to get it while it's still on sale, man, because trust me, I'm gonna actually really enjoy it. So I'm just gonna play the vibe again, and let's listen to it. Alright guys, so like I said, everyone is gonna get access to this FLP. I'm gonna leave a link where you could just click to download the FLP. So whether you're on the Patreon or not, you're gonna definitely get access to this FLP, so you could actually just play around with. And if you gain something from this video, guys, give me a thumbs up. And if you're yet to subscribe, guys, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, so you definitely get notified when next I post. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.